Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Black Ops 6 not launching on Steam. First thing you want to do is head over to Steam, and then wherever your Black Ops 6 is under library, you want to right click on that, and then you want to head over to properties. There would be a file called installed files. You want to make sure that the integrity of files is verified. If that doesn't solve the issue, what you want to do next is head over to search and search for Task Manager. Click on this, and then what you want to do is go to details and find out steam.exe. You want to right click on it and then click on end process tree, just like so. Your Steam will be closed. Then you want to search for Steam and then run it as administrator and launch your Black Ops 6 and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, what you need to do next is head over to device manager and then click on it. From there, you want to double click on display adapters, double click on your graphics card, go to driver, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. As you can see, the best drivers are already installed, and then you can try opening, and hopefully your Black Ops 6 will be opened. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.